How many times do you check your phone each day? 5 times? 10? Maybe 50? In a world designed for distraction, your lack of focus isn't your fault. Social media. Notifications. Multitasking. They've hijacked your brain. We've become slaves to the buzz, the ping, the scroll. But what if I told you there's a way out? A way to reclaim your mind and do work that actually matters. Cal Newport, the author of Deep Work, defines it like this: deep work is the ability to focus without distraction on a cognitively demanding task. No phone. No distractions. No interruptions. It's when your brain is pushed to its edge. It's how artists create, how scientists discover, how legends are built. Shallow work is everywhere. But deep work? That's your unfair advantage. Your brain is a muscle. And just like any muscle, it gets stronger with training, and weaker without it. Every time you switch tabs, check a text, or scroll mindlessly, you teach your brain to be unfocused. You're not lazy. You've just been trained, by an attention economy that profits from your distraction. Dopamine hits every second. You're not addicted to your phone. You're addicted to escaping the present. Okay, enough theory. Let's go practical. Here's how to bring deep work into your life. 1. Time block. Set a 90-minute window every day. No distractions. Pure focus. 2. Kill notifications, airplane mode. Do not disturb. Yes, really. 3. Create a deep work ritual, same time, same place. Train your brain. 4. Use the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes on, 5 minutes off. Repeat. 5. Reward yourself, deep work deserves celebration. No shame in that. Start small. 30 minutes. Then build up. The key is consistency. Time is not your most precious resource. Attention is. Every no you say, to distractions, to unnecessary meetings, to random DMs, is a massive yes to your goals, your growth, your mind. You don't manage time. You manage where your attention goes. You want to stand out. Focus. You want to build something great. Go deep. 30 days of deep work will rewire your brain. You'll feel calmer, sharper, unstoppable. So here's your challenge, just 90 minutes tomorrow. No phone. No noise. Just you and your craft. Are you in? Comment below, I choose deep work. And if this hit you hard, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Because in a distracted world, focus is your superpower.